Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in lovely Boudreaux, Louisiana. Out here on Bayou Teche this morning. Running restore number 87. It's a 1955 5.5 horsepower Johnson. It's a CD12. Customer wanted it patina look, so I didn't paint or decal it, but it's completely restored. Ignition, magneto, coils, points, condenser, spark plug wires, carburetor rebuild, gear case seals, pressure tested, gear oil. We're going to take her for a Bayou test run this morning in my 1957 Feathercraft John boat. We'll back her down in the water here and get her started. Here we go. Alright, got her unhooked from the winch here with a rope tied onto her. Now I'm going to drop her back down in the water and let her float off. Let's see if we can see her back out. Back off the trailer. There she goes. Alright, got her launched, tied off here. We're ready to give her a run. Here we go. Alright, we got her in the water. She's a great runner. I've been running her a while. She pushed my 14-foot 1957 Feathercraft about 9 miles an hour, which is pretty darn good for 5 horsepower. So let's give her a run. Here we go. And she runs good, idles good. Not a lot of vibration, not a lot of shake. Beautiful little motor. I'm gonna give you a view of it out the front of my boat now. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Au revoir mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler.